Building multiple income streams is the foundation of financial security. By diversifying your sources of income, you not only increase your overall earnings but also mitigate risks, ensuring you're better prepared to navigate economic challenges. Throughout this video, we'll introduce you to 8 exceptional passive income assets, each offering unique benefits and opportunities for you to explore. We encourage you to keep an open mind as we guide you through the fascinating world of passive income, and remember that your financial journey is entirely within your control. Chapter 2: Stock Market, Low-Cost Index Funds and ETFs. Imagine harnessing the power of the stock market, a realm that has historically rewarded patient investors with impressive returns. But don't worry, you don't need to be a Wall Street guru to thrive in this domain. We'll introduce you to a passive investment strategy that simplifies the process: low-cost index funds and ETFs. These investment vehicles allow you to diversify your holdings across a wide range of companies without the need to handpick individual stocks. By investing in a broad market index, you essentially own a piece of the entire market, ensuring that your portfolio's performance mirrors the overall market trends. The beauty of index funds and ETFs lies in their efficiency and cost-effectiveness. With lower management fees compared to actively managed funds, your returns aren't eroded by hefty expenses, allowing you to keep more of your hard-earned money. Additionally, dividends become your allies in this passive income journey. As companies earn profits, they often distribute a portion of those earnings to shareholders in the form of dividends. Embrace the power of dividends and watch your investment grow while enjoying a regular income stream. Chapter 3: Retirement Accounts, 401(k), S and IRAs. Picture a golden nest egg awaiting your retirement. That's precisely what retirement accounts like 401(k), S and IRAs offer. These tax-advantaged accounts are designed to help you secure your financial future and live comfortably during your golden years. If you have access to an employer-sponsored 401(k) plan, take full advantage of it. Some employers even offer matching contributions, effectively doubling your savings. It's like getting free money towards your retirement goals. For added flexibility and control over your investments, individual retirement accounts, IRAs, are a fantastic option. Choose between traditional and Roth IRAs based on your tax preferences, and let the magic of compounding grow your savings over time. As you contribute to your retirement accounts regularly, you're not only reducing your taxable income in the present but also ensuring a financially secure future when you bid farewell to the 9-to-5 grind. Chapter 4: Real Estate Investment Trusts, REITs. Have you ever dreamed of investing in real estate without the hassles of property management? REITs, real estate investment trusts, are the solution you've been waiting for. As a REIT investor, you become a part owner of real estate properties, ranging from office buildings and shopping centers to apartments and industrial facilities. The rental income generated from these properties is then shared with you, the investor, in the form of dividends. Diversification is a key advantage of REITs. By investing in multiple properties across various sectors and locations, you're spreading your risk, ensuring that you're not overly reliant on the performance of a single property. Whether you're interested in residential or commercial real estate, REITs offer an opportunity to add real estate exposure to your investment portfolio without the need for substantial capital or active involvement. Chapter 5: High-Yield Savings Accounts. Imagine having a financial safety net, a cushion to fall back on during times of uncertainty. That's precisely what high-yield savings accounts provide. These accounts offer a higher interest rate compared to traditional savings accounts, allowing your money to grow at a faster pace. While the returns may not match those of other investment assets, the primary purpose of high-yield savings accounts is to preserve your capital and provide easy access to funds when needed. Building an emergency fund in a high-yield savings account is an essential step in achieving financial security. It acts as a buffer during unexpected life events, such as medical emergencies, job loss, or urgent home repairs. Consider automating regular contributions to your high-yield savings account, no matter how small, and witness the power of consistent saving as your emergency fund steadily grows over time. Chapter 6: Peer-to-Peer Lending. Become a catalyst for financial growth while earning passive income through peer-to-peer lending. In this digital age, peer-to-peer lending platforms connect borrowers directly with individual investors, eliminating the need for traditional financial institutions. As a lender, you have the opportunity to invest in loans that align with your risk tolerance and investment objectives. Peer-to-peer lending allows you to support individuals and small businesses while earning attractive returns on your investments. By diversifying your loans across multiple borrowers, you can mitigate the risks associated with any individual loan defaulting. As you contribute to the financial growth of borrowers, you'll witness your investment portfolio prosper through regular interest payments, all while making a positive impact on others' lives. Chapter 7: Dividend-Paying Stocks and DRIPs. The sweet sound of dividends, the hallmark of a passive income strategy that stands the test of time. Dividend-paying stocks are shares of companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders as dividends. As an investor, you become a part owner of these companies, sharing in their successes through regular dividend payments. The power of dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs, takes your passive income game to a whole new level. With DRIPs, the dividends you receive are automatically reinvested to purchase additional shares of the same company. This compounding effect allows your investment to grow exponentially over time. As you curate a portfolio of dividend-paying stocks across various industries, you'll enjoy a steady stream of passive income that continues to flow even during market fluctuations. Chapter 8: Online Businesses. In the digital realm, the opportunities for entrepreneurial minds are boundless. Let's explore the world of online businesses, where your passion can translate into profits. From e-commerce stores and affiliate marketing websites to selling digital products, online businesses open the doors to a global audience. With a little creativity and strategic marketing, you can create a scalable source of passive income. Imagine waking up to discover that your online store generated sales while you slept, or that your affiliate marketing efforts yielded commissions without any active involvement. That's the allure of online businesses, the ability to earn income passively while you focus on what you love. Whether you're a creative artist, a savvy marketer, or a problem-solving entrepreneur, the digital landscape offers endless possibilities to turn your expertise into a rewarding passive income venture. Chapter 9: Real Estate, Buy and Hold Strategy. Ready to become a real estate investor without the headaches of active management? The buy and hold strategy is your path to passive income through rental properties. By purchasing properties and renting them out to tenants, you create a steady stream of rental income that flows effortlessly into your pocket. With the right property selection and sound tenant management, real estate can become a reliable source of passive income. For added convenience, consider leveraging property management services to handle day-to-day tasks like property maintenance and tenant interactions. This way, you can enjoy the benefits of real estate investing without being tied down by the responsibilities of active property management. As you hold onto your investment properties for the long term, you'll witness the power of appreciation, where the value of your real estate assets grows over time, further enhancing your passive income potential. Conclusion: congratulations on exploring the diverse world of passive income assets designed for middle-class investors like you. By diversifying your income streams and embracing the power of passive investments, you've taken significant strides towards achieving financial independence. Remember, this journey requires patience, continuous learning, and the willingness to adapt to changing market conditions. Stay focused on your goals, and be open to exploring new opportunities that align with your financial aspirations. In your pursuit of financial freedom, remember that every step counts. Whether it's contributing to retirement accounts, investing in dividend-paying stocks, or exploring the realm of online businesses, each asset you embrace contributes to your path to prosperity. We hope this video has empowered you with valuable insights and actionable ideas to set your financial journey in motion. Embrace the power of passive income, and let it be the catalyst for transforming your financial future. Happy investing, and here's to your success.